G'day, here's a parcel of some Boulder Opal from central Queensland. I don't know which field it came from, but certainly got some nice colours. I'm just going a bit closer so you get a better look. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer. Just quickly run through them. Basically offcuts from larger stones, or been cut out of the boulder so you haven't got the weight. Reds and greens in that one. So showing that bit, just throwing that in as nothing much. Nice bright pattern there. Just take a little bit off the end there to concentrate the colour. It's definitely an off-cut. Still a nice stone there. Lucky last but not least. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.